And that's why this $4,000 to $6,000 upgrade to a better underlayment can save you from $15,000 to $20,000 expenses in the course of your old roof system. Hey guys, Alex here with Alex Perez Roofing, and today we are doing a re-roof replacement here in Auburn. The underlayment here was brittle, it was weathered out, it was time to replace it. In most cases, these tile roofs can last up to 50 years, but the underlayment is one of the key components that goes out that causes leaks inside your home. So we went ahead and upgraded the entire roof with the better underlayment and a brand new tile roof system. So when it comes to your traditional felt system, you're gonna see this on every tile roof system. And this right here is your traditional felt that leaks after 20 years. The roof on top, which are your tiles, are intended to last 50 years, but the foundation is very important. This is what usually gives out when you have clogs in the valleys, around the flashings, along the wall transitions, around your skylights. Once that paper gets underneath, it gets to your underlayment. Over a couple of seasons of water, you're gonna have leaks through this type of roof system. What we do is we go to a better system called the ice and water shield. This is the best thing out. This is gonna allow that roof to be 100% watertight. If you get some cracked tiles, debris, any water underneath those tiles, this adhesive underlayment system sticks to your plywood. Any nail that fastens through this underlayment is gonna adhere and make sure that roof is watertight. So this is the best underlayment you wanna use, the ice and water shield made by Eagle. Having this better underlayment system is gonna really ensure you have a true 50-year system where you have the better underlayment and a tile system on top. And that's why this $4,000 to $6,000 upgrade to a better underlayment can save you from $15,000 to $20,000 expenses in the course of your old roof system. And this is exactly why we don't just install tile, we install true long-term protection. So if you're interested in a true 50-year tile roof system, give us a call at 916-910-5542 or alexperezroofing.com to make sure your home is as watertight as it gets.